Hello and welcome back. So today we'll be doing a normal video. We'll be doing a standard as you can see, setup scan. So with that said, let's just get right to it. We'll start out on Bloomberg, where the apparent thing I'm seeing on headline risks, let me just look through it. It's again tariffs. But there's nothing major right now, and it is priced in a lot, so I wouldn't consider it too bad. And it's all in relation to Greenland. Before we go into the setup, let's have a look at SPY. On the 2-week time frame, it is still trending up. It has been trending up for a good while now. I'll draw a line for this one. Trend line. There we go. Still trending nicely up. It's been trending up since Trump came up with the cardboard, with the tariffs on the whole world and the whole world and the whole shit. Dollar index is looking completely stable, still stable, and like I mentioned quite a lot, it historically is not stable at all. It moves a lot, so that's all right. I mean, normally when you have a stable dollar like that, the market tends to stabilize within ranges, but we're seeing quite the opposite. We're more of in a bull market, especially now with the Greenland stuff, Venezuela, a lot of geopolitical headline risk events that are kicking markets out. But the TA is still solid. It was a really great month. I'm up, if we look at it, I don't even remember, 10.7% for January. So month is over for me. It did not meet the criteria for going up 20%. I did mention that as well, but it didn't meet it. Let's see anything. 22, I think it's 22.5% is the max, but it didn't meet the criteria. I'll go into that in another video if it's questioned. So this trade right here, if you're in it, just stay in it. This was the gold short that triggered as a CR on the 12-hour, also the 8-hour. I don't know when you entered. Could have entered earlier. It was posted in the Discord. It was also in the video. You can do a 2R on this one as well. It's got a double support with the 200 MA and the support area or resistance area above it. So double resistance. Someone in the Discord asked me about what the MA really is, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. That was like last week or earlier this week. Regardless, it's just a 200 SMA that's coded in to disappear when I'm on the 12-hour or the 8-hour. I mean, it goes away if I'm not on the 1 day. That's the only time frame where I consider it. But when I know it's on resistance here, I won't ignore it being on resistance of the 12-hour. I just don't use it. It doesn't carry the same effect. It only matters on the 1 day. And it functions for sole purpose as just another SR area because it is used by institutions. So let's get to looking for setups. Let's go through the list. Is this the ATH one? No, it's not, but so this might look like a nice BO, but yeah, you'll be CTing so much. It does not look interesting to me. Gapping, no. Yeah, this one could be interesting. So we're gonna mark it like usual, make it orange, scrutinize it, look through it later on. This gapping, this is because of the carryover volume. The market is reacting to these trade wars and the potential for, I don't even know, there's not going to be a conventional war over Greenland, but some kind of takeover. I don't know. I actually have no idea. That's the most honest way to put it as well. Instead of, making probabilities out of my assumptions. Here it looks like a CR was already in place. No, it was too late. It just boomed up. Okay. Interesting. We're gonna mark that. Do we have anything below it? Nope. It's alright though. We're gonna discuss it. We just gotta get through the pair list. What is this? Okay. Nope. It's already broke out. We'll see where it starts to range and then draw on it from there. It's a lot easier. Nothing. And this could be interesting. Now the stick here is too long, so we can't really BO justify this. Can't CR this one if you're thinking that 200 MA is in the way. Interesting. Continuation. Very interesting. Okay, so we got quite a lot of potentials. Close ones as well. I'm struggling talking today. I have no idea why. Like, what the fuck? It's annoying as fuck. It's probably because I woke up at 1 a.m. I went to sleep at like 12 and then I woke up at 1. And when I do that, I lose some cognitive abilities. Who gives a fuck though? So, as I've mentioned quite a lot, commodities do not move the same as regular currency pairs. So, what I mean by that, if this is your first time watching, is that currency pairs inherently move up. If we're looking at different time frames, like the 5-year time frame, for example, commodities, gold, silver, have actually beat the S&P 500. So there's an inherent upward bias for it when you're trading it. That's why there's such a big swap. You can collect such a big swap going short. And there's such a big pay for swap. That's why you got to be careful on triple swap on Wednesday. Because that shit is going to hit. Especially on AUD gold. That'll hit like crazy. Anyways, there's a BO triggering right now on silver. Don't worry about it hitting new all-time highs because that's what commodities do. Keep it tight like this, like that. It'll be quite a small trade, quite a short trade actually. It's not short, but the potential distance it might travel, it's not going to be long. I'll post this one in the Discord right now and mark it as entered. Keep in mind that I will not be entering trades anymore myself because I've reached my monthly max. It's not Zo, it's just on silver. Zag is silver, Zo is gold. So I'm going to write this one as green. USD JPY, wait for a candle close here. It is closed on the 12 hours. You can't enter on that, but that's kind of risky on a Monday. It would look like this. And then like that. I would personally wait for the 1 day. Yeah, I would wait for the 1 day, and I would do a 1.5 on this one. Don't have confidence in those big range changes. But I'll mark this one as green in case someone decides to enter it on the 12-hour. Go for the 1.5 hour even though you're with trend because you're betting on new highs. Or not betting on them, but Well, you kind of are. So in terms of this one right here, this pair, we're looking for what might be a CR or a BO for the trend, because as you can see, the lows have been going up. This is very strong movement. If it continues, this could be worthy of a nice BO, and it is an ATH pair, so that's what it does. It breaks out. As for this one right here, again, another BO, a short. This one is very close to triggering, so keep your eye on this one. I'll get it in the Discord. Let me see what that was. Oh yeah, I'm glad I closed my Telegram before it's like spamming me now. Go fast shit, bro. So sucks that I can't enter any of these. And yeah, that's it. So as for this one, same type of deal, but let it drop to about, you don't have to worry about this level right here because we're not using it for the range, but let it drop below the lows of the range. So you could put an alert right here. I mean, it's very easy. You just right click, add alert like that, create, and then I have an alert right there now. So I'll get an alert. I'm not gonna need that. Fuck that. But you can if you want to trade it, because someone in the Discord mentioned that it's hard to keep track of these fucking BOs. So something like that. Keep a tight entry on it. Go for a 2R and move your SL very aggressively with these. If you're gonna go away, you need to have a trailing on. Dynamic sell-offs, trailing stop. Someone in the Discord always calls them trailing stop because that's what they're called in C Trader, but I mean, the terminology I'm used to at least is a dynamic sell-offs, because that's what makes sense, right? It's dynamic. Anyways, that's all I've got for now. That's all the setups. Everything is scanned. And we went through all the pairs. The SR areas are looking nice as well. The redraw was in good time. So with that said, if you got any questions or anything else, feel free to hop into the Discord. It is not monetized. As you might have noticed when you clicked on the video, there was no ads. And in the Discord, there's nothing for sale or anything like that. And on that note, I'm going to end the video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.